Welcome to Teladoc, 24/7 access to doctors by phone, video, or app. Connecting with a doctor through video on the Teladoc app is a simple, convenient, and effective way to feel better, faster. How to start a doctor visit on the Teladoc app. Make sure you have downloaded the Teladoc app and have your account set up. Before you start the video visit, check to make sure you have a strong signal on your phone. Tip: opt in to notifications so we can send you reminders about upcoming doctor visits. Open the Teladoc app and select Request a Visit. Select who needs help. Choose Video Call and the preferred time for your visit. Fill out the reason for your visit and upload any helpful pictures. Choose a pharmacy so we can quickly send in a prescription. Confirm the information you submitted. You're all set up for a video visit. Click Join Waiting Room. Here are some things to keep in mind to make sure your doctor is able to reach you. We'll send you a notification when your visit is about to begin by email or by text if you choose. If you've scheduled a visit, open the Teladoc app 10 minutes before the scheduled time. Check on the status in the waiting room. It will update when a doctor is reviewing your health information before the visit. If you're having trouble connecting with your doctor or have technical issues, call us at 1-800-835-2362 and our care team will help you get connected. After your visit, you will get a summary of your visit, including relevant prescriptions and follow-up info. After the visit, you'll receive a survey. We are always looking to improve your experience, so please take a moment to fill it out. With the Teladoc app, talking to a doctor has never been easier.